welcome to Spirit Shack. These are our neon LED light up dowsing rods. So these are created by Spirit Shack and they are very unique. So like most dowsing rods, it does need some form of magnetic metal, because it's believed that spirits can use dowsing rods by creating, just say you've got the rod, if a spirit creates a magnetic field here, it'll pull the rod that way. If a spirit creates a magnetic field here, it'll pull the rod that way. That's why dowsing rods are made of a magnetic metal. So also it helps with weight proportioning. So obviously you've got the handle here and the battery holder and the battery pack, and it's all on one side. So this bit's quite light. So by adding the steel, not only does it allow spirits to actually communicate with these, it actually evenly distributes the weight. So when you're holding it and your hands straight, they will stay centered. So each of these, so obviously you get two. They take two AA batteries which go here. The handle is loose, so it freely rotates. There's next to no friction at all there. And we have the on button here. It has three modes. The first mode is solid, the second mode is flashing slowly, and the third mode is flashing quickly. So let's just put them in solid mode for now. So even in the daytime, they are very, very bright lights. So obviously they're both free to rotate in any direction. So how you typically use these is, you'd ask the spirits to show you what a yes is, or what they want a yes to be. And if the spirit's there and they do try and communicate, they'll either pull them to the left, pull them to the right, pull them in together, or separate them. Once you've established what a yes is, you can ask the spirits to show you a no, and it's usually the opposite of what they did for the yes. So if they've gone left for the yes, they'll usually give you a right for the no. Or if they've crossed them for a yes, they'll usually split them apart for a no. Once you've established what the yes or no is, you can then start asking yes or no questions. You can say, are you male? And it's either going to go to what it showed you as a yes or what it showed you as a no. So that's how you use them. Next we'll show you the slow strobe light effect. So you just press the button again. So they are now both flashing slowly. If I'd have pressed them both at the same time, they would have been flashing at the same time, but there's a bit of a delay between each button press. So then we'll show you the fast strobe light effect. And lastly, I'm going to show you what these look like in the dark. So if you hang on a second. It's not completely pitch black, but it is a substantial amount darker. So these really do look incredible in the dark. Absolutely great if you want to record your paranormal sessions and put them on YouTube or Facebook or whatever. They really do look impressive in the dark. If you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.